If the sum of 5 consecutive numbers is 95, what is the third number? Options tayo. At isa dyan ang hinahanap natin. 5 consecutive numbers ang kailangan mong i-represent at tinatanong ano yung pangatlo. Sabihin natin na yung unang number ay si n. Or she can use any number, any variable rather. Pwedeng kahit anong letter. Gusto ko lang n. Paano ko i-represent yung kasunod? Bago natin magawa yung 5 magkakasunod, ano muna yung kasunod? So, to get the next number, si n, kailangan kong dagdagan ng 1. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng consecutive. Nagpo-progress ka lang by 1. Correct? Kagaya ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yun, na consecutive. So, si n, para makuha mo yung kasunod, mag-add ka lang ng 1. The next number kay n would be n plus 1. Yung kasunod niyan, is yung pangatlo, should be n plus 2. Do the same thing hanggang sa makuha mo yung 5. This is your first number. Number next to that is represented by the expression n plus 1. Number next to that is represented by the number n plus 2, n plus 3, n plus 4, and so on. Pero kailangan mo lang yung unang 5. Sabi doon, sum nila is 95, which means kailangan mong i-add. So, lahat ng yan, i-add natin. N plus 1. Lagyan ko lang ng parentheses para makita nyo na yung n plus 1 represents a single number, which is the second term dito sa nasulat nating sequence. N plus 2 ang sunod. Meron din n plus 3. Then yung huli, yung panlima, ay si n plus 4. Sum down nilang lahat is 95. Now, what can we do here? Sa left side, mukha siyang komplikado, pero tandaan lang na sa math, lahat ng like terms pwede mong i-combine. Combine in such a way na dito, we are required to add them. So, n plus n plus n plus n plus n will give you 5n. Hindi dahil magkakamukha sila na variable, kundi dahil puro pare silang n raised to 1. Kasi kung may n squared dyan, hindi ko pwede combine yun kay n. Okay? Kataon na puro pareha silang n raised to 1. Lahat yan may exponent na 1. So, like terms. By definition, pwedeng i-add. Ilang n lahat? Merong 5. How about yung constants natin? Yung constant, yung mga number lang. So, yun yung 1, yung 2, yung 3, at saka yung 4. Add mo lahat. Addition lang naman ang sinasabi. Wala naman ibang operation na required. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now you have a simpler equation. 5n plus 10 equals 95. The goal is to solve for n. Para malaman natin kung ano yung third term. Because there's no way malalaman yung third term kung hindi ko alam yung n. So, kailangan ko munang malaman ano yung n to begin with. Ano yung first term. So, to do that, alisin natin lahat ng kasama niya. Alisin ko yung 10, alisin ko yung 5. Alisin ko muna yung 10, mas madali yon. Kung nagka-10 dyan dahil nag-add, to undo that, mag-subtract ka. Now, this is 0. Wala na si 10. But remember, this is equal. So, kung anong ginawa ko sa left, gagawin ko rin sa kabila para equal pa rin ako. Both sides balance pa rin. 95 minus 10 is of course 85. You have 5n on the other side. Aalisin ko naman this time yung 5. Pero hindi ko pwedeng basta mag-subtract because this is 5 multiplied by n. So, hindi ko kailangang i-subtract yan. Actually, kailangan ko i-divide. Because yun yung mag-undo sa ginawa ni multiplication. Divide tayo by 5 para mawala yung 5 na nandoon because anything divided by itself is 1. And 1 multiplied by any number is just the number itself. So, n na lang ang matitira. Pero again, dahil equal nga yan, kailangan gawin ko rin sa kabila. Nag-divide tayong 5, mag-divide din tayo dito. And you can do this manually using long division or use this. Ilang 5 meron sa 80 muna tayo. Ito yung approach ko kapag masyadong malaking number. Ilang 5 meron sa 8? Mabilis mong malalaman na merong 16. May isa pa. Total of 17 fives ang kasya kay 85. Ito yung final answer natin para sa value ni n. Ngayon, ang tanong kasi, ano yung third term? So you need to solve for this. 17 is the value of n plus 2. That will now give you the third term, which is 90. Ayan yung pangatlong number doon sa 5 magkakasunod na number na 'pag pinag-add daw ay 95 ang sagot. You can double check if you like. 17 si N, so this is 17. Of course, yung kasunod niyan would be 18, this is 19, this is 20, and this is 21. Add mo lahat 'yan. Answer should be 95. Sana nakatulong itong video na ito.